Like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos from PHN Learn. For more videos, download our app from the Play Store. Hello all, welcome back to your MySQL session of series. Now, here in this particular series, we are going to continue your previous lecture. That was, we have seen how to use your OR logical operator with your where. Now, in this session, we are going to see how to use your AND logical operator with your where clause. Right? So, in the previous lecture, we have seen the truth table of that. And what was the condition of your AND operator? That you need to have both the input, that is both the values over there as true, and then only you will get the answer as true. And if this is not the condition, if at all any one of the answer is giving me as a false as a value, then it will give me answer as false too. So this was the particular condition of that, right? Now, how we can use this, how we can fire the query and what are the conditions, we will see through this code. But before that, the syntax of your where clause using your AND operator is select star from table name where column name is equal to value and column name is equal to value. Again, these column names are nothing but what the values of for your AND. In the truth table, we have seen what? We have seen the two values should get true. Means these two values we are getting it from the values only. And in SQL language, this column values are nothing but the values for your AND operator. Remember this. Right? So this is the particular syntax, how we can use this, we will see through this query. Okay. Now, so this is the complete data which we have in our particular table, that is our employee underscore data table. Okay. So now I will apply the AND operator. Now here I will do where age is equal to, let's say 21 and age is equal to 23. Okay. Now if you consider age as a 21, then 21 age is also present. Here you can see Jayant ID is 2, his age is 21. So yes, it is also present. Similarly, age 23 is also present, which we have seen till now, right? Now, here if you consider the truth table of your AND operator, then both the values is true, right? Then it should give me, it should fetch me the data. It is having both the values as true, then it should fetch me the values, right? It is but obvious. But will it fetch it? That is a question mark. Here we will see it by firing this query. Okay. See. Now, if at all your query was right, your operator which you have used is definitely right, all the data, that is the data of 21 age and 23 age was also present, but still I haven't got anything. Why? Here, this is the very important part, and this is the basic difference between your OR operator and your AND operator. Remember this. In your OR operator, what was happening? There you used the same column name. There we used age and age. If at all you were using the same column name, still the data was getting fetched. Means the result was showing over there, right? But now, in the AND concept, in the AND case, you cannot use the same column name. Here, for both the things, you cannot use the same column name. It is used for different column names. Your AND operator is being used for different column names. Remember this. Okay. That's the reason both of the uses are different. Means when if you know the data of the same column name, and you want to fetch the data, okay, means I only know the ages of the person, and I want to fetch the age where the age is 23 and where the age is 21. I want to fetch the name of those person. Then at such cases you require your OR operator. But if here, let's say you know the name as well as you know the age, means sometimes happens you have such condition like, okay, I have a name like Sam and the age is what, 21. So I want to fetch a record, a particular record whose name is Sam as well as whose age is 21. Okay, so at this time I will use what? AND operator. The working of the AND and OR and the usage of AND and OR is different. Remember this. Okay, so here if you use same column name, then it won't work. Now here again I will just remove this and I will check the data. Here you can see, okay, so here you can see the age is 21 where the name is Jayant. Okay, so I will here write where age is equal to 21 and name is equal to, because it is a varchar, Jayant. Now here the column name, both the column names are different, that is one is age and one is name, but of the same row. Okay, now I will just run this code. See, now the query is proper and it is being executed, right? So this is what your AND operator is used for. If you have a condition, if you know the condition, like you know the name and you know the age and you want to fetch the particular record, then at those time you need your AND operator. Okay, now consider that I give this name as Sam. Now I don't have, okay, this is Sam. Okay, so now what I have is, I don't have the name as, I do have the age as 21, but the name of that particular person is Jayant and not Sam. I don't have any record with Sam, okay, whose age is 21. So now here what is the output? Basically the age, I do have 21, so that is true. But the name part, is this true? No. This isn't true, that is a false boolean value. So here I have combination as 0 and 1, 1 and 0. So here I will get the result as false. So let's check whether I will be able to fetch a data or not. Okay, so here let's run this code. See, null, 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 null. So it is not fetching me anything. Okay, so this is how your AND operator works, and requires two different column name, whereas OR can work with your same column name as well. Okay, so this was all about how you can use your AND operator with your where clause, and remember both the working of OR and AND is different. Okay, again there are multiple operators which you can use with your where clause. So how we can use this we will see in the later on session, but for now this is the basic part of OR and AND, and it is very important. Okay, so this was all about today's session. Hope you have understood the concept. So for now, thank you and goodbye. For more videos, download our app from the Play Store.